Hey there, welcome to our review of the Kayme 6 layers car cover. If you are looking for a reliable and durable cover for your car, you are in the right place. In this video, we'll go over the key features and benefits of this car cover as well as some tips on how to use and maintain it properly. Let's get started. The Kayme car cover is made of 6 layers of premium materials that provides excellent protection against various outdoor elements such as UV rays, rain, dust, snow, and bird droppings. The first layer is a non-woven fabric that is gentle on your car's paint and prevents scratches and swirls. The second layer is a PE film that is waterproof and breathable, allowing moisture to heat to escape. The third and fourth layers are cotton padding that adds thickness and softness to the cover, reducing the impact of external forces. The fifth layer is a silver-coated PE film that reflects sunlight and heat, keeping your car cooler in hot weather. The sixth and final layer is a non-woven fabric that reinforces the overall structure and improves the durability of the cover. The Kayme car cover has several features that make it a great choice for protecting your car. Firstly, it has elasticized hem and straps that ensure a snug fit and prevent the cover from flapping or blowing away in the wind. Secondly, it has 6 fluorescent light stripes that enhance the visibility of your car at night, reducing the risk of accidents or theft. Thirdly, it has 4 reflective warning bands that serve the same purpose during the day. Fourthly, it comes with a storage bag that makes it easy to store and transport the cover when not in use. Fifthly, it has a 3-year warranty that covers any defects or damages caused by normal use. The Kayme car cover is available in several sizes that fit different types of cars, SUVs, and trucks. You can choose the size that best matches your vehicle's make, model, and year using the size chart provided by the manufacturer. The cover is designed to fit snugly around your car's body, leaving no gaps or loose areas that could allow dirt or moisture to set in. The cover is also easy to install and remove thanks to its lightweight and flexible design. Let's summarize the pros and cons of the Kayme car cover. Pros: 6-layer construction for all-weather protection, elasticized hem and straps for secure fit, reflective and fluorescent stripes for visibility, storage bag included, 3-year warranty. Cons: no lock or capable for extra security, not completely waterproof in heavy rain, not suitable for indoor use only. So, there you have it, our review of the Kayme 6 layers car cover. We hope you found this video helpful and informative. If you have any questions or comments, please leave them below. And if you are interested in buying this car cover, we'll leave a link in the description box. Thanks for watching and drive safely.